Hello, my name is Emmanuel Okafo and I hope you're doing well. In this video, we'll be looking at the different Pupa utilities that you can find inside the Pupa add-on for Blender. So let's look at them. These utilities are created to kind of speed up some repetitive tasks and some tasks that you might want to have to, or that you will have to go to other windows. So that's basically what these utilities function do currently, and of course more tools will be added to it later, but for now all these tools here are just made to make your life easier. Okay, so let's start with the enable IK. So the enable IK is like you can just hide IK bones, especially when they are not used, they're not in use. Like for this instance, it's just noise, so you can disable that. If you don't want, you can enable the FK bone to kind of see the currently working bone, which is the FK for the animation. So this is what's working. You can also disable it and you can enable it again. Of course, you have to show all bones, like if you want to display all the bones. So if you want to move things around, you can easily do that by showing all bones. So you can select everything and adjust it. You can uncheck that. You also have the weight painting. So if you want to quickly jump into the weight paint mode and kind of clean things up, you can check on this weight painting and it brings out all the deformer bones, because Rigify is quite a complex rig. So this is one way of us helping you guys out to kind of simplify your workflow, so you don't have to go here and disable every other thing and check everything on, so on and off. So this is just a quick method of quickly accessing that. And to jump into edit weight paint mode, you can select the bone, shift select the object which you want to paint, go into weight paint mode, and now you can see all the weight painting visible. So as you can see, these are all the weights affecting each of the weights. Okay, so once you're done, you can just uncheck that and the rigs come back to normal, and that's that. For this insert keyframe, what it does is basically inserts the data keyframe. So since this is a Rigify rig, it works in conjunction with all the data here and all the tools, settings, IK, FK switch. So instead of going manually and hitting I for everything, which is quite tedious and just like monkey jobs, so that's why we have this one keyframe. Once you click on that, it's going to insert keyframe for all these parameters, and it allows you to switch seamlessly between them. So that allows you to kind of create more complex animation system whereby you can start animating with an IK rig and then you can switch into an FK rig. So let's remove this animation. If we enable the IK rig, currently if we try to move them, if we try to move this, you can see the IK is not working, even though we have the enable IK already checked. To enable it, you just need to click on snap FK to IK, and this is just going to go to the parameter and just enable it, because it's going to do it for all the IK chains, so you don't have to go manually and do it right here. So as you can see, we have the IK enabled again. Vice versa for the FK. If you uncheck the IK and enable FK and you do snap FK, and you can see it snaps to it. And you can, like I said, you can insert keyframe for all of this to kind of animate it as needed. You also have this adjust curve. This one is not, it's a tool that is just kind of testing out stuff to help adjust placement. So what this means is that you can move the position of this and adjust curve. So that one is quite buggy for now. Let's see if we can have a nice example of it working. So I'm going to just apply animation. I think the bug was because of no animation. Let's see. So we apply animation here, and let's say for this instance the character is below the ground plane. So you can use this adjust the curve. Rather than going into the curve edit, you can just do it right here and adjust curve. So now this is placed in on the floor, so it allows you to just adjust the curve. So this is mainly created for the torso controller, it works great for that because you can just move it on the y-axis, which is usually the case. But of course, any bone you select, it will be affected by that. So you do with it whatever you want. So yeah, those are just little helpful things that you can find in the Pupa Utilities panel. And yeah, so try it out for yourself. Don't be shy. Check out the add-on. There'll be a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Bye bye for now. See you next time.